Japan's inflation shows clearer sign of cooling in November. Japan's inflation slowed in line with expectations while services showed signs that underlying price growth is spreading more widely in the economy, a key trend followed by the central bank amid ongoing speculation it will pare back its stimulus in coming months. Consumer prices excluding fresh food items rose 2.5% from a year ago as falls in energy costs deepened and gains in processed food prices eased, the Internal Affairs Ministry reported Friday. The result matched forecasts by economists. Euro to US dollar tests above 1.1000 as markets bet big on Fed rate cuts. Euro to US dollar pierced 1.1000 on Thursday as broad market risk appetite pins into the high side. U.S. inflation figures point to continued price growth deceleration, ramping up rate cut bets. Friday poised to wrap up the trading week with a final round of U.S. PCE inflation. The euro to US dollar climbed on Thursday, bolstered back into the 1.1000 handle as broad market risk appetite pinned into the high side, fueled by U.S. inflation figures continuing to decline faster than market forecast models can account for. Investors are increasing their bets that the Federal Reserve, Fed, will face faster, deeper rate cuts, with money market expectations running far ahead of the Fed's own rate expectations for 2024. The Global Week Ahead, Double Holiday Edition. Risk Dashboard for December 25th to January 5th. Week of December 25th, a very quiet holiday markets calendar. Spanish CPI kicks off. Eurozone inflation tracking light. U.S. Japanese releases. Week of January 1st. U.S. non-farm consensus expected. Absolutely none of this. U.S. wages are being paid for by productivity gains. Unlike elsewhere, a ruling on Trump's election eligibility faces an early New Year deadline. Trump poses more risk to the outlook than all other alternatives. FOMC minutes to expand on rate cut dialogue. Canadian jobs. A banner year no matter how it ends. Canadian wage growth is skyrocketing. PMIs, China, US ISM, India, Mexico, Brazil. Will Eurozone core CPI continue to cool? Inflation, Asia Pacific, LATAM. Other global indicators. Financial aggregates November 2023. All growth rates for the financial aggregates are seasonally adjusted, and adjusted for the effects of breaks in the series as recorded in the notes to the tables listed below. Data for the levels of financial aggregates are not adjusted for series breaks, and growth rates should not be calculated from data on the levels of credit. Historical levels and growth rates for the financial aggregates have been revised owing to the resubmission of data by some financial intermediaries, the re-estimation of seasonal factors and the incorporation of securitization data. The RBA credit aggregates measure credit provided by financial institutions operating domestically. They do not capture cross-border or non-intermediated lending. Thank you.